Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty the Emperor Haile Selassie I. And all things that's good. See? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and then grow the platform. Ladies in Jamaica, I'm telling you this. Sufferers of rape and them type of thing. You see the platform here, it can me will help you expose anybody, IRL. See, as long as no case is prosecutorial, yes I. You know see it? Because I sure to say when some guy talk about lawsuit and them type of thing there, yeah, at UNO, them a try intimidate a potential whistleblower and people we know say them can come out to come give, you know, for them account. Them a try intimidate. We know them thing there. You know see it. You call them you know, adding more sufferer, forcing the people them want to put in a suffering and trauma, in a more depression. You know see it. I push them in a further prison with them trauma and them traumatic experience where them go through when they not threaten them like that. You know, you can imagine just so want to make a fool down on my think what I have. Let me tell you something, ladies, before we go too far with this. You see when it come on to them sort of lawsuit there, it's basically like a trial for himself too. Because him have got declared innocent. And like the judge will look at you and say, oh, I saw you because the court that did say a lie and you come back come say a true. So just book the fear mere facts me have up on a video and say a true. I'm gonna sue you. And that's all the evidence. I'm just saying, you have got your experience and your experience I go against film when I see now like a whole heap of lady show similar story regarding one particular Richie Stevens. What happened now is that in itself establish a pattern. You know see it. And that pattern, you know see it. So just a lot. Now a few women come out and exercise the same pattern, which might not be admissible as evidence in a court or trial. No doubt it will be mentioned. You know see, the judge will somewhat discredit it to the degree that it was brought public and could have been, you know, I say correlated or some sort of plan. But apart from that, there are gonna be a lot of other incidents and mannerisms, a lot of things that are gonna coincide. And if you weren't there with that person at the time of their experience, you couldn't have known and shared these same experience too. See? So the possibility now of a criminal trial and successful sentencing is being more and more bred each day. You see, with the revelation, the more revelation of the ladies. This is not possible because, like I said, probably through experience, probably time, probably them do them things for them way. Seeing, but the stage is being set. Seeing, and the shot is being fired and they are running scared right at this point. No guy can't tell me nothing. No, make nobody threaten you. If you have an experience, be fair to the ladies who have suffered or might have suffered or is about to suffer kind of feel no way, you know, if a guy get way off of that one, you know, a destruction, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, because I know a guy, him sick self, I'll tell him, say, immune and him is that loved, liked, and needed, that's, as, you know, anything him want, him will just take it and get it. You see it? Me I telling you. You see it? And it will come knock at the door one of these days. Soon. Especially the people them who are protect him. You see it? You see it? It's deplorable, unacceptable, especially some of the people them who say nothing regarding this thing here. Babsy Grange is the Minister of Women's Rights. He's the Minister of Feminism then in Jamaica. Babsy Grange is also the Minister of Culture, the Minister who is responsible for the development, or I think it's the closest political arm that has any responsibility to do with reggae music Rasta, seeing which the main accusations are being laid at. And as a woman, female, I don't expect me if you have, what kind of respect me if you have for any former politician in Jamaica? What have they done for you to respect them? Because I know what them do for me. Me want to know what them do for Uno Rasta. Look how much years all them people in the parliament, what them do for anybody and who them do it for. How anybody in them natural mind. You know, one of them not beat up my you know, see, I'm glad I not get the message. So I keep watching and commenting House of Parliament. We don't know fake name or no fake whatever, yeah? Because I could have only one who do that. Not a normal or regular Jamaican or a regular anybody anywhere else in the world. You know, see, me not diminish Jamaicans' responsibility or intelligence to that level. You see, regardless of where you get from them and a hustle, the truth is the truth. You see, so thank you for the audience, and that is going to show how much cry out here want to not pay attention to, and me alone and not listen to and know what I want. You know, see it, Rasta? So, I don't want the ladies them feel no way with their phone now. You know, see it, and stop watch some little clown attack. Them a still try mental when you hear some boy talk, you know, a lawless, a moralless attempt at self-defense them there. No pay them no mind. Little by little them a crumble them words weak. People are not idiot. People know the science of psychology. People know lie. People know it's already established what certain people will do. And even Richie Stevens himself established, say, him established the narcissistic trait of I said the rapist in the apologetic video where him do, which I should have expounded upon more. You know, see, a narcissist will always do his best, you know, to make his victims look and feel ridiculous below themselves, and he enjoys it even after perpetrating whatever manner of assault or abuse he has already passed on to them. You know, he'll further enjoy, get a buzz from ridiculing their claims, dissecting their evidence piece by piece and make them look stupid. He also enjoys that as much as he enjoyed however he abused them. It's the science. So it's not like say it's gonna be accident. They're gonna orchestrate their enjoyment. They're gonna do. You know, I don't want nobody coming at this with no stupid argument, because the logic so much, no science, no history, no culture. You know, see it. I try to come up with that to yourself. Max Rummy, you're one of them. You get your name called on the internet there. You nasty raper boy, you. Much people you rape from where you born till now, Rasta. How everywhere me go and everything when me see you do, you different like you have something to hide. You must you name Richie Stephen and you twist and turn around and way around and then while your family are deteriorated, they try manipulate public opinion. Cause I can't, no. It's impossible. You know, see, for somebody lay accusation at somebody's door and he wasn't there with them and you openly defend them like that, the most you can do is be there for that person in them corner in the event that this thing is not so. You know, see, you can't go around and castigate potential you know, people who suffer from them type of thing. Them no, a dirty You protect your own image, which is in line, which run a line with the character in claim. You see, and it's apart. It can't hide. You see. You see, nobody not ask you nothing. You're not being accused of any crime. Yet still you step out in the midst of everything and defend a criminal. It's like you have the same experience and you try to protect her, and it's redundant. You see, to say the least. Not gone away. You see, so them think they are our concern. You see, and we are reach out to the ladies them who might have suffered this type of assault and abuse, and we make them know, don't feel threatened. Don't feel threatened anywhere whatsoever by any form of lawsuit, because every details and evidence, just like a criminal trial, is gonna come out. And apart from them losing what they have lost in the lawsuit, it's gonna now be we call it now. That lawsuit, by you winning that lawsuit, I am sure it's gonna further mature the criminal element of the whole charge. See? So it's not like the judge is gonna, or police or anybody are gonna need anything else or anything much after this lawsuit. Yeah. As long as you experience that, no boy can't sue you. You ever hear that happen yet anywhere in the world? No boy can't sue you if you experience that with him for true, because the truth for truth, and the record show the truth always prevail. You know, see? So I don't know how him will go in a court go explain say him never do that to a girl when the girl say him do it. If him do it, and in himself him know say him do it. And now some guy seriously, Rasta, do it and come on social media, defend themselves, try defend themselves. We couldn't know someone if stay silent, Rasta. Just like if Bunty stay silent with you and left with just Steve, no time out, probably nobody would know about a 14-year-old baby mother. Put the ice on the cake. Rastafari. But it's not a thing where it's a good thing again, because we get to address the matter. We get to bring it forward with a prominent figure in our society. Where we know a lot of people, regardless of how condemning it might sound, most people who are already fans of Bounty Killer isn't gonna stop being fans of Bounty Killer. But one thing, with these fans, Bounty Killer can sure be an ambassador for the change. You know, see, and genuinely be so. You know, see, it's just simple. Seeing, cause like me say, what we are doing, we are saying 3/4 Jamaica go to prison. You know, see it. And for those who are complicit or might be involved, you know, see it. So, with that aspect of the things are different. We're not going on that, we're not stay upon that, we don't deal with that already. But the ladies, the guy them are threatening and I go on, like, you can imagine the back door check them or some boy all send go give some woman you know where them know so them mess with them way there. There's some woman who go bitter and they're on the verge of coming out, but just through them know them power and them know so why the damage what it might do to them. New day today, rape a bull. New day. Woman no feel no way if that happen to no. We know enough for no fall. And we are born out the depraved mind them we are blame on for no abuse. The boss slave them. We blame themselves for the slavery way. Brought them forward in the slave mentality. But it's just slavery with them. There is no relent. Honestly, no matter how you hand it to them on a plate. We not condemn them, we still try with them, still try to big them back. But the reality is the reality, Rasta. How can a woman come cry, make with such a cry, and two people, one cry innocent and one say guilty, and yet still, and people just choose to take a side and say, boy, so what are the likelihood of? You see, most women who say them get raped, did get raped. Is a few women really said, per quota, in terms of how the crime rate work, yeah? Say, if 10 women say them get raped, yeah? Probably about 2 out of that are fake or false news. Probably 1. And I'm just using that that's a generous statistic for use, but That's not the actual statistic. I'm just using referentially for explain what me I deal with. More women credibly get raped. I can't put it like that neither. You know, see it? More women genuinely get raped than women where crap ball fake rape, Rasta. That more people is victim of crimes than people who are lying about victims of crime, Rasta. You see, it's just, I just say go, you're not gonna get most people in a society. It's not a nice stigma for work with at any time, at any age. Maybe in a Jamaica now it's kind of less shunned than it used to be, no doubt, because sexuality in a Jamaica, you know, like me explain. You see it, we have to consider the whole thing. You see it, we have to consider the whole thing and try to save the children them. You see it, I saw it go straight. You see it. Yes, I. Yes, I. Cause the guy them dangerous and unrelenting. You see it. So obviously them we are chatting, somebody could get a girl you know. You see it. And now some girl were good at do it for the boss. Not even do it for the boss, but get abused because they want a boss and still never get the boss neither, you know. You see it. And all them little ones there. All them girls are supposed to under beer pressure, you know. Enough of them good assume. And girl, ladies, listen man, you know. Standing on the ground, man. You see. And I have to think about the little girl, the other little girl them will come after. Some of them good at even have no daughter yet and them thing, but the possibility of you getting one is high. You know, see it. You have to protect them thing there. You know, sometimes you can't wait until, you know, see it. You have to protect other people picking it too from certain elements. You know, see it. You know, see it. It's not right for you and me I expect the ladies them for stand firm on that one, yeah. You know, see it. Stand firm on that one, yeah. Because it have to stop sometime. See? And who is more likely to stop it than the item themselves? You know, see, the item powerful, you know, with numbers. I'm on there. You know, see it, and all heap of man a chime in, all heap of man upon the subject too. Genuinely. Because I can't I alone feel so as a man. A whole heap of man feel so, I know that. You know, see it, I will give thanks. You know, see it. Give thanks to the support for the ladies them. You know, see it, I would have liked the public them just boil them kind of who have certain, just share your opinion decently and stop acting like so. Well, then this is a alien thing you hear about among the society in Jamaica. You know, see it, it's hypocrisy. You know, see it. You know, see it. No disrespect, the children them can't continue like that. Children them need them own a space, man, for grow, man. Big people have enough big people for play with and stay up there so with. Well, the less little confidence and the lack of self-esteem and them sort of something there for. And then, you know, and for a star, it's unacceptable when a star that we are inclined, him sick. Still, you know, see, but we don't really see none of that and we not going to dwell upon that. You know, see, it's worse when a star is a actual, you know, rapist like that. I can't wait for you who Etana. Because Etana go to one of them day attack who, you know. And that have just got to show the amount of backative and support with that particular rapist have in a society these days. Why even the victims still attack vague and them sort of something there. And you know what? Unless we are constantly be real about this whole thing, we have to face the fact that the woman them have good reasons to be so. You know, good reason to be even fearful of them women too, particularly like Babsy Grange, because Babsy Grange have a whole heap of investment in Richie Stevens. You know. Whole heap of she never breathe for me say she a specialist did there. Me don't know true. Rumor is that she have a youth for him too. Me don't know true that is. It's alleged. That's a one bag of closeness I go on right. That's a Rasta conflict of interest for bring out this abominable beast here out in the public. You see it? It a go affect fear, pocket fear, wealth fear, reputation somewhat. She not fit for the role where she play as a woman who is supposed to be in charge of female rights. And them thing there in Jamaica today. You see it? And very soon some international responsible international people are going to come down pan and find out for your role in the whole thing. So you better let up and distance yourself from reality as much as possible, Madam Minister, because you see, this not go away. This not go away, Rasta. You see it? This not go away. You see it? It not go away. Can't go away, can't make this go away. Unless the man them all come blatantly and say this are the culture and that them love and them a campaign for this. And so some people for shut up and loud them make them continue rape and do them thing where them a do. You see? Yeah. If I saw, yeah, be brave and so on and stop hiding the culture and go amongst people and decent people and people who's that way persuaded and them children and them all them little thing there. Fly out and perform for people who are anti-rape and anti-abuse and them type of thing there and go on like wolf in a sheep clothes amongst the people. Nah, on the face, be brave, Rasta. If it's right, it's acceptable. On the campaign, so on the rest of the rapist community can be legal for do what they want to do too. You don't go on like so well then, we are going, nah, hey, go ahead with that. Corruption. You think people are idiot? You know see it? Like me say, I am who I am, and the whole lot don't know. I want to open the door and lay it bare from day that, so there's no guessing and spelling. That's why Vegas over there fed and talk about what be about this Warieka deal it. What used to be a passion that sound go on all the while like white man too, you know. As soon as you see a black man show passion about something and talk about vibes or ignorance or badness, he might get violent. What I'm telling you, go with that man. Prison me a walk, you know. We just do it furthermore, they don't pay on in the mind, you know. We just give thanks. And I hope so we affect the youth them who need the education. You know, see, I try. Experience where I try use and educate you them, not academics. You know, see, because again, the academics them among us what them do. Take on themselves. You know, see, take on themselves. And we are the only people in them can be better than. And obviously, as soon as them start being good at anything, them have to have somebody where them better than and who are the most obvious disadvantage. You know, see, we now, you know, see, we give thanks. You know, see. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See? So, we don't want the ladies them feel left out or feel no way. Don't feel as scared than a guy with them thing where them are going with. But Marley say have no fear for atomic energy, none of them can stop the time. You know, see it? Men has created their own destruction. See it, yeah? The internet rasta. You know, see, so we talk to one another, we have a conversation and all. Alright. Or some guy can come on this, hide behind keyboard and come defend rapists. And some women afraid for hide behind keyboard and expose some. It's simple. You see it? We not say, you know, yeah. True experience is what it is. You see it? Yeah. What if you did have some woman, you know, I make a look on it like that then? A guy them where defend rapists. What if you have some woman, you know, me hear man literally I say some girl, hey, me I say, me hear man in my comment section, I say the woman them deserve it, you know, me I tell you say, why, I'm going to say you can stay. You know, but ladies don't feel lame or don't feel like say, hey, the fight not done, man. When I done, man. You know, see it. We give thanks. We could keep it going, no, man. You know, see it. Day by day to come on. We have to give the ladies them the strength and the courage them need and the time where them need for say what them I say, the strength, for develop the strength for come say what them I say. But we need some, yeah. We need some support around here. You know, see, we give thanks. We give thanks. Rastafari.